For breakfast, of course, I started my day with some water, but I didn't have time to make a complete breakfast, like a smoothie or anything, because I was on the go. So I decided to have some of this granola. For lunch, I made quesadillas, so I got some siete mild taco seasoning. I mixed that with some avocado oil, red onions, corn, brown rice, red beans, pinto beans, black beans, bell pepper, vegan cheese, and I basically just made a little quesadilla on my stovetop. I also threw some cilantro in there. Tell me this doesn't look delicious, y'all. So this is the texture, y'all. I'm gonna put it on the skillet and let it toast because you don't want it to like saute all the way down. You want it to still have that like meat-like texture. So I'm just gonna put it on the stove on like high heat for like 5 minutes, let it toast, season it up, and then I'm gonna add the sauce and boom. I ended up wanting something sweet, so my boyfriend made me a smoothie. Recipe is on the screen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.